that one or?
Came from that. I want to take off this tint.
The back ones, yeah.
I don't want just one window tint.
Yeah.
I'm gonna open the door now.
Is that good? Like 90 like that?
Maybe one.
I don't know how to open this. Maybe take this button.
Just fixing the dent. I don't know, kick it maybe. But don't
Maybe
kick
from inside. Or here.
Man, don't hit the quarter panel. Oh,
No, that's a good sign.
I need that.
There is inside. Yeah. Try pull this shit on your hip like.
Oh man, look at all the water. No.
Oh, fuck yes! It's working. Oh yes! Backdoor delete.
Oh man, I want to drive with no doors.
Oh, that must be fucking crazy, like real fucking shit box.
Oh fuck.
Fuck.
Kick it, man.
Oh man, that's fuck.
Maybe it's just locked. 1 second, let go. Please.
Thanks God.
Man, this is lightweight and this is actually better than factory, man. You just it's like fucking
yeah, no need to put this shit now. There's no space. Yeah, but no.
So I go through. Yeah.
So, huh? Yeah, that's also the thing.
Caught here on this huge knob. Fucking steering wheel's gonna be off now. Still nothing. It was loose.